Hi, this is the fourth video in the Introduction to SAS Enterprise Miner using SAS on demand for academics. So we're going to go over the drop node. So sometimes there are columns that we have in our data set in where we don't want uh, to keep certain columns. I mean, there are data sets that might contain more information that we need. So sometimes we just need to drop, some of the column that we have. So let's see in our data set what are the variables that we have. So if I click on the data set called cosmetic, and as you can see here, we have five different columns. One is the month and year that contains, the month of year of sales that we have in this data set. Then we have the sales, the SKUs, groups, and states. So we know this from the previous video, from the first video. So let's suppose that we want to drop this SQ column. This is just an example to see how we can use this node. One way of doing this is by selecting in this menu the option drop yes or no. So that's one way of doing it. It's not my favorite choice, because what happens is that if, let's say, I have a different flow where I want to use that particular column, then I won't be able to do that. So the best way, in my opinion, to do this is by going into the tabs, going to the modified tab, and select dropped. That will be the first node in the modified tab. So I'm gonna select this. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the data source node to my drop. Alright, so let me run this.